Meaning of Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden is a biblical term referring to the paradise where Adam and Eve, the first man and woman, lived in perfect harmony with nature and with God. It is described as a place of beauty, abundance, and innocence, where all living beings coexisted peacefully. The Garden of Eden represents a state of purity and perfection that was lost when Adam and Eve were led astray by the devil, bringing sin and suffering into the world. Today, the term is often used figuratively to describe a heavenly or ideal place or situation.